Hey everybody, Linus here. Today we're diving into the exciting world of web servers. A web server is like a digital apartment for your website. It's where you put all the files so people on the internet can see them. We'll use Ubuntu, a popular operating system, to set it up. Think of this like building a PC. We start with the basics, then add the cool stuff. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. By the end, you'll have your own server up and running. Let's get this show on the road. Are you ready to learn about web servers? It's going to be fun. First things first, we need to prepare our Ubuntu server. This is like laying the foundation before we build a house. You'll need an Ubuntu server. You can rent one online, or install it on an old computer. Once you're logged in, the first thing we do is update it. This makes sure we have the latest software. Open your terminal and type, press enter, and let it do its thing. Next, type. This installs all the updates. See? Easy peasy. Now our server is ready for the next step. Now for the fun part, installing the web server software. We'll use either Apache or Nginx, two popular choices. They're like the engines of our web server. For Apache, type, for Nginx, type, choose one and press enter. Wait for the installation to finish. Congratulations, you now have a web server installed, but we're not done yet. There's more to do. Now we need to see if our web server is working. Open your web browser and type your server's IP address. You should see a default web page. This means it's working, but we want our own website, right? For that, we need to configure our domain name. This is like giving our website an address so people can find it. And that's it for now. We've just scratched the surface of web servers. There's so much more to learn, like setting up a firewall, adding SSL certificates, and hosting different types of websites. But that's for another time. I hope this has been helpful. And remember, have fun and don't be afraid to experiment.